Hello, so I wanted to start a Python video series where I just show you how to use Python. So the first place to start is to install Python. So if you want to do that, you want to navigate to here, python.org/downloads/. You want to install the default Python version, so 3 point whatever. You're installing Python 3, so bear that in mind. And you want to install the latest version of Python. So in that case, or in this case, it's 3.10.4. Once you download it, you want to install it obviously, and when you install it, this window should pop up. Now, when this window pops up, you want to make sure you tap or click this box, add Python 3. Whatever it may be. So in this case, it'll be 3.10. But in this case here, it's a 3.8 version. So you do 3.8 to path. So that's pretty useful. It allows you to use Python across your machine. So make sure that is ticked. Click install and then go through all the steps and you should be done. Now once you have that all done, you should be able to go to your start menu and type in idle. So this is your generic Python shell that allows you to write code and edit code. So we can add, we can do simple operations, something like add. So we can add that. We can also print words out, so and so on and so forth. You should also be able to access it from your command prompt. So if I type in cmd in start and I go type in Python, we should be in our Python shell. And then if I type in the same stuff I did before, that works too. So in the odd chance that this doesn't work, or your writing Python doesn't get this shell up, what you would want to do is check your environment variables. So you do that by going to start, environment variables, and then this should come up. You want to click that, edit environment variables, and then this should pop up. Now because I'm using Windows 10, it has this sort of format, but the format should be similar, variable name, values. So here I have my user-defined environment variables, and here I've specified my Python path and some other paths as well for Python. Now that's user-defined. Now if you did tick the box where you said add it to your path should have been specified, or at least stated here. So something like this. So it should be somewhere stated in here. So these are your system-defined variables, and these are user-defined variables, so you specify the variables names yourself. Okay, and then you would obviously change them, add them, whatever, and then press OK. In this case I've done it, so I don't need to. And that should be set. If you are going to test it again, make sure you close the shell and then reopen it. So cmd, then Python again, and then hopefully it should still be working. So okay, that covers this. I hope you subscribe. Stick around, I'm going to be making a lot more tutorials of this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.